Wow, very cool.
That's super fast.
Who's your favorite fighter? We're here in Tbilisi, Georgia, and today we're going to try to find a UFC mural. We're starting our trip in Rustaveli metro station at 60 meters deep, one of the deepest metro stations in the world.
Let's go to see.
We're going to cross Rustaveli Avenue, enter into Eteri Park, and we're getting closer to the mural now. Who's your favorite fighter?
I think the Diego Lopez.
Diego Lopez?
Yes.
That's a good answer. He's so exciting.
What about you?
I'm gonna have to go with Nate Diaz. I always felt emotionally involved with his fights, and I loved his attitude and his style.
Yeah, I like the next year too.
Who do you think is the scariest fighter?
I think the Hamzat.
Hamzat?
Yeah.
Hamzat's terrifying.
Yeah, what about you think?
I think Vanderlei Silva is the scariest fighter. When he was in his prime fighting in Pride, he was such a beast.
I scared him too.
There are cable cars all over the city used for transportation. And this skywalk was planned to be the end point of a cable car. We've got a tag along. The mural is right down here. That's where we're headed next. We just have a few stairs to tackle. I'll say the name of a dog breed and you tell me the UFC fighter that you think of, okay?
Yeah.
Bulldog.
DC?
DC? Daniel Cormier? Okay. All right, we're almost at the mural. How about this? Would you fight Zhang Weili for $1 million?
Oh, it's a lot of money, but it's not a good idea for me. Fight with her. I think I dare 100% because she's very good for fighting.
Yeah, she's a pretty scary lady. Here it is.
Merab, him the champion UFC.
Wow, very cool. So we've got Ilia Topuria, Merab Dvalishvili, Giga Chikadze, and I'm not sure who this woman is. Very cool. Ilia was born in Germany, but he grew up in Rustaveli, which is a city about 200,000 people to the south of here. Merab is from a really small town called Vani. It's like a village of 3,000 people. And Giga Chikadze is from Tbilisi, from the city. It's a beautiful mural, huh?
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Oh, thanks for coming with us today. The mural was beautiful. I'm happy that we could find it so easily.
Bye bye, see you next time.
Thank you.